step behind the curtain with us for a recap of last week's InterBattery 2024, where TPC Mechatronics stood at the forefront of industrial innovation. With each showcase, we demonstrated our commitment to bridging the gap between current challenges and future advancements. Our pneumatic systems, defined by their precision and reliability, demonstrated their role as the driving force behind smarter, more efficient automation. Our linear motion technology, with its smooth and exact movements, brought to life the importance of precision in tasks where even a millimeter's variance is critical. Then, there were our 3D printers, marvels of modern technology, transforming ideas into detailed prototypes in real time, opening doors from design to tangible reality. As visitors meandered through our bustling booth, our collaborative robots stood out as the stars of the show. These robots, engineered to collaborate with human operators, exemplify the synergy of human creativity and robotic precision, enhancing productivity and safety in every interaction. Focusing on cutting-edge EV battery manufacturing, we showcased integrated systems that fuse precision grippers, vision stages, and wireless technology, ensuring seamless and efficient production lines. At TPC Mechatronics, we pride ourselves on being more than exhibitors. We are collaborators, educators, and innovators, passionate about empowering the industry with technology that enhances capabilities and drives growth. As InterBattery 2024 comes to a close, we're not slowing down. Our sights are set on the horizon, on building not just smart machines, but fostering connections, streamlining processes, and shaping the future of manufacturing. Join us as we take practical steps toward a smarter, more connected industrial future. Your next chapter in manufacturing excellence starts with a visit to tpcpage.co.kr.